In this walkthrough, I will show you what the renter completes inside the private workflow. The renter page is designed to reduce back and forth. It organizes intake, license information, insurance proof when requested, agreement acknowledgments, deposit readiness, photos, and uploads in one place. At the top, the renter sees the trip, operator, required steps, and what is still pending. This helps both sides understand that the rental is not ready until the required items are complete. The document and upload sections collect items like license images, insurance proof, inspection photos, odometer photos, or other files the operator requires. Signature and acknowledgement sections create a record that the renter accepted the required terms or checklist items. Payment and deposit sections show what must happen before pickup. Staff should use the dashboard readiness gates to review completion before key release. The renter workflow collects the material, but the operator still makes the operational decision. That is the evidence workflow: one private renter page, clear required steps, and dashboard readiness before pickup.